Hey gamers! Today we're diving into a gem from the past that still shines brightly in the gaming universe, Titanfall 2. Trust me, if you haven't played it yet, you're missing out on an absolute masterpiece. Alright, let's start with the story. Unlike its predecessor, Titanfall 2 comes with a full-fledged campaign mode, and boy is it a ride.
Technically, I'm not supposed to be training you, but in you I see potential.
You step into the shoes of Jack Cooper, a rifleman with dreams bigger than his rank. And then there's BT 7274, your trusty Titan. The bond between them? It's heartwarming, thrilling, and sometimes downright hilarious. It's a story of friendship, bravery, and sheer determination. Now let's talk gameplay. Titanfall 2's gameplay is where it truly shines. The fluidity of movement, wall running, double jumping and sliding. It's like you're dancing through the battlefield. The gunplay, crisp and satisfying. And then calling down your Titans, that moment never gets old. And each Titan has its own unique abilities, making every match feel fresh and exhilarating. Multiplayer is where you'll spend most of your time. It's fast-paced, chaotic, and a ton of fun. Modes like Attrition, Bounty Hunt, and Last Titan Standing keep things diverse and exciting. And the best part? The community is still active and welcoming. There's always a match waiting for you. Graphically, Titanfall 2 holds up surprisingly well. The environments are detailed, the animations are smooth, and the Titans, they look as menacing as ever. Add to that a soundtrack that amps up the adrenaline, and you've got a sensory feast. But what truly sets Titanfall 2 apart is its innovation. Remember the mission Effect and Cause, where you switch between timelines on the fly? It's one of the most memorable levels in gaming history. Moments like these make Titanfall 2 a game that stands the test of time. So why should you play Titanfall 2 in 2025? Because it's a game that perfectly blends story, gameplay, and innovation. It's a game that reminds you why you fell in love with gaming in the first place. It's a game that deserves your time and attention. All right, gamers, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming content. And if you haven't already, go pick up Titanfall 2. You won't regret it. Until next time, happy gaming!